Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and you can't see on the screen. Yeah, my people, we're going to get a good one, you feel what I'm saying? Because these are the right type of people. We need to hear critiquing the younger artists. You see, I say, put in the comment section where you think about that because I'm not gonna lie to you, Mr. Vegas is on point with this one. The only thing him never say is Masicka is a coward. Cause you don't want to hurt these people's feelings. You don't want to, kill champion. You want to build them. You know what I mean? And he's basically telling them to take it to cartel. You know what I mean? Yeah, bring the war to his doorstep like them say in 2017. You know what I mean? When Quarita, they bring up the thing, you see me, say, because there's some type of vibes. You feel me? And them say, Jahshii not hide it, you see me? But that's why Masicka is hiding behind Jahshii Badman because Masicka have to build him career. You know what I mean? Because his fan base is not built like that. And that's what Mr. Vegas is talking about as well. That's something I've been mentioning. That's why Vybz Kartel have won over Beanie in that sense of filling out arenas. Because what good is fans if them not buying ticket? You need fans and fan bases out here supporting you. And that's why Alkaline, it was leading these people before, the whatever, and Masicka get the infrared. Cartel give him a hook and him get a hit song and know him get some fan base. Cause say Gully God did give Alkaline film fan base. And the freaky people, the B people them in Jamaica, did a rouse for Alkaline. The boy did I run the place red with, him dogs him have to dead with him. So Cartel said, no, my dogs him have to live and give Masicka the hit. So, to buy Cartel time. So I'm can come a road and destroy people career. But let's hear what Mr. Vegas have to say about the whole situation at hand because he goes into depth with Ninja Man and Super Cat and the whole works. You see, man.
When Kartel kicked on Ninja Man, it hurt him, It hurt Ninja Man. You think Kartel would have to kick on Ninja Man? Ask yourself the question, people. Ninja Man did do Kartel nothing? What Ninja Man did to Vybz Kartel? Kartel kicking down flat on the stage. Anything happen after that or something? I mean, the man now, Ninja Man. Ninja Man, your time done. Whoop, kick down. Everybody's young Frank. You had a kick down and go on the man just say, you think I'm over alone clash me Kartel who Kartel is? Kartel kick down Ninja Man the body's thing. Everybody did that say Ninja Man a gunman and Ninja Man a front teeth, gold teeth, Dan Gag and Ninja Man get kicked down, boom. Yeah. And Kartel just say anything happen after or something. Anything happen just happen. Even if you have to go. Even if after them resolve it and meet and call and behind the scene, what remember say Kartel kick down Ninja Man. Ninja Man can't bad up Kartel after that in our eyes. Ninja Man can't say better than Kartel again in our eyes because we see say get kicked down and not nothing. Yeah. Yeah, man. Dancehall. Tap a sit in the boy. Respect, my G. Clear on you. Respect. Kartel kick down Ninja Man. Well, that's our respect. Brother, me have a ticket. Me catch a ticket for the race, brother. Wait, one side. One side. No make your manager them tell you nothing, G. Just listen to his streets, bro. You got always, maybe in the future the manager they gone, brother. You see 10 years from now, you want when people say Masicka, them associate your song with you dominating, not just by music. You want 10 years from now when people pull up on your song, then they have memories and say, yo, one thing in Masicka and them never afraid, You want when you pull up your song because you sing bad man song, bro. Understand me, G? You sing bad man song. When you sing bad man song, you have to make even the great Vybz Kartel know say anything so cabra them teach it, bro. You know the man that see and say anything. They sit there, he mean it, bro. Anybody run up, anything. Yeah, man. Yeah. love and respect Vybz Kartel as the greatest artist out of Jamaica since Bob Marley. Love and respect him for that, me G. However, must be added to that, bro. Love and respect Kartel as the greatest artist since Bob Marley. However, must be added to that. Nobody the close statement. Put a however upon that, bro. Just put a however upon that. However, and left it, make them think what they think, baby. Yeah? Yeah, man. Make a Kartel have sleepless night too. Yes. Make before the crown set pan Kartel head, Kartel having sleepless night. As I don't know, young youth around him, but chaya and all that, me go hold a crown here for. He come like, you go back. And you go on now, you think Kartel alone, I whole industry benefit from that, brother, because people love music, you know. If you run here too boring, Masicka. And trust me, Kartel bring back an energy, virgin, in a Sumfest. Enough people not talk about that because we are dwell upon the little thing we're going with Jahshii and Masicka and Kartel. Enough people talk about that, I don't even talk about that. Only thing I got to say about that, Jahshii, you're just salt, brother. And from before you, the people even start talking about you. From your Anthony Miller interview, me I try preach to you. Me have do too much video about you. And you know, me glad so you say on the stage, out of all the things that you say on the stage, you said one thing on the stage, and me appreciate it. Because I've been saying it for a long time, and people that's in a bad mind. So you did a scream too much. And I see you make a conscious effort now to stop screaming. Yeah, and I think that's one of the reasons why you're not boss as a big artist. Because I think I don't know what did happen, I don't know who did that counsel, I don't know who did that give advice, but the screaming, bro, the screaming, it was just unbearable for the ears. I'm glad you actually say it out so your fans them say if you stop screaming. Because me, yeah, I did one of your fans them, brother, away. The first time I spend a whole night, I go through the whole of your clippings them and I listen to your DJ. And I say, like, look at youth here. When I time I think say you go boss big, you know, brother. I say, yo, the youth can reach a limit start, yo, wrong pick. But me hope say you're not too late, bro, but you're salt. You're salt. I just that more say about Jahshii. I'm glad to see you try not to scream when you're a DJ. I'm happy to say you said that. So I can take away that as a positive from what you do on the stage. But in terms of the vibe in a Sumfest, Kartel pan tracks, a long time I don't see people jump up in a Sumfest. The last 4 or 5 Sumfest, I don't like people. The people them never move. When you all watch about the thing, them say people turn up and some of them have them phone and the artists them try work hard and the people them, like the people in the vibe not dead and them thing there. And Kartel bring back the vibe there in a Sumfest, I don't like people. I know I can't hide glory. Virgin. Yeah, man, he bring back that. And a tracks him I use. I say, yo, can you imagine if Kartel did use bands? It would be back one of them things that we used to sweet Beanie Man, them and Capleton, them, you know. Remember when Capleton burned down the whole of Sumfest? You remember that? Yeah, man, Capleton light the whole like cane feast everywhere down at Sumfest already, man. Some cardboard and some sitting. If Kartel did work with all bands, yeah? When the band's ready for mix up, I have to give Kartel that energy they will bring back in the space. Yeah, man. Can't take with that. You can't take with that. And that me think. At one time I did on a reason and I tell the man him say if I were to break an artist, one artist in Jamaica me da send for put on a feature, a Masicka. When me da pay him when him say want to put on a feature. Yeah? If I were to get an artist on a feature and then give me all the name, then a Masicka me da choose a feature. Yeah? I believe say if him get a wicked punchline from one of the greats, then him can go to the next international level. But even without that, him still have a bag of wicked tune. Him have crazy amount of wicked tunes. But him have to understand how the dance, I don't think him fully understand how the space and him dancehall run. It not run by just big song. It not run by just big song, my G. it run by yo. If a man style, you have to style back a man wicked. If I'm yo, you have to go with me, G. Sometimes I'll not happen, you know, I have to make people and things that something happen. Yeah. Yes, Art. Masicka, if Jahshii did have your song them, Jahshii are the biggest column in a dancehall right now. If Jahshii did have your song them, bro, he may not be the biggest column in a dancehall. I get a $500,000 show. $1 million show. Yeah. He may not have your song them. Otherwise, from when him silk bar try a five and him run, but him talk strong, he talk like him, you know, he talk like him want thing that like him want a piece of the thing. But when you have so much big tune and so much bad tune to dominate the place, bro, yeah man, you have to step up to it, you have to step up, man, and say, my time, you know, and you have to take it, me G. In other words, me I tell you, say, them nah go give it to you, Masicka. You have to take it, me G. Musically speaking. You have to take the place, me G. Because even go on, everybody knows I have the baddest thing, you know. Everybody knows I have the baddest song, you know. Everybody knows I have the most hot song, you know. But them people here, if you not claim it, bro, you have to, bro, they hide glory around here, no Masicka. Masicka, they hide glory around here. You know, man, must say self-praise is no recommendation. I lie, bro. You have to claim it. You have to claim it in a Jesus name, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah. You have to, even if nothing no go on, bro, you have to say, yo. And you're not take no talk. You not answer to nobody. You just make people think what they want to think, bro. Yeah, man. You have to claim it, me G. Because you have a song, then, brother. Him not have to be a clash artist. Ireland vibings. Him not have to be a clash artist. Would you clash with Cabra one time? Buju never clash artist, but Buju run out wickedly, bilious, and talk a bag of things. Buju never known for no clash artist. But Buju did make you know, say, Cabra, if you're running, you know, we are going to go at it. You have to understand that, bro. But why you think Assassin not big like Kartel them? Eh? When Kartel say war with Assassin, I same thing. A Spragga running. Spragga running, I say, alright, food a share, give me a plate. Yeah? Dancehall can't change. A people Christianized dancehall. Dancehall can't change people. Dancehall can't change. It can't change. A people are nice it up and I say, Ray. Yeah, man. When Assassin I say, he no want no clash, he no want no war. Kartel, Spragga say, what? Spragga say, I would them ramp with. Give me food. And go at Kartel and change the war from Assassin and Kartel to Kartel and Spragga Benz. And me if I tell you, dancehall, bro, me know say, bro, me know you eat food and everything, me know say, your boss, me know say you have a big song then, bro, but me I tell you, as a youth, I watch a something, them nah go give it to you, bro. You have to claim it. You have to claim, if I have a Kartel, I could have a Kartel, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Remember say, no? Kartel cut from Alliance camp, you know, and talk up a bag of things, you know, and just make the chips fall where them fall. The man just say, yo, I want my own independence. No one just comes up, bam, and cut and just start go rogue. The man just take himself totally. Because the man knows him couldn't the Alliance and bleach. The first thing, Kartel don't calculate them thing they already and know, say, yo, we can't the Alliance and bleach. And I want to go be a coloring book, you know. The man comes up, boom, and don't calculate out him life and know, say, any him stay in an alliance. Him can't pass the leader. The man knows, say, right now, him want to thing go global, the man want to thing go way up. The man say, yo, a coloring book, me I go, you know. and cut from alliance and cause mischief and run go do song with all people and people getting them feelings and her. Yeah? But guess what? It work. You see? You see? It work. The man say, yo, me a graduate. Me a move out of the house and now me a go for my own. Masicka, you have to claim opportunities when they come. Even if I like mix up Guana Rary and you don't know where Guana Rary, you have to hold it and just drop be a bad song and just drop song and make people think say people are chatting and nothing people are chatting. You just a drop song and a drop song. Kartel all them feelings, you just a go and drop song and a drop song and make your fans them decide. Fans hear you drop song, they must say, yeah man, that's when you Masicka, how you mean you're the Masicka there? Kartel him attack, you know. That man not in Kartel attack, you know, but you hold it. Because I must say suspense, you know. I want to sit with people. I say, yo, I'm talking points. Look, brother, musical, enough artists come where I can find be a big song, brother. But here we go on now. Them now become column. If you want to be a column in dancehall, to be foolish advise you. If you want to be a column in dancehall, you can't make people think, say, yo, you're not the baddest thing. Technically. Yeah. It better you don't say nothing that just a drop beer song and make people think what they might think. And when you go up on stage, you just talk, you chat, see me. Yo, me are the wickedest thing. I'm just some boy. Yo, sometimes nobody not trouble Ninja Man them, you know. Sometimes nobody not trouble Ninja Man them. You have an artist in a dancehall. Nobody not trouble him. And every time go up on stage, he cuss somebody. Every time he go up on stage, he must somebody. If he want... The man worried all himself. If the man can't find nothing for worry, the man worry the musician there. If the man can't find nothing for worry, the man worry the engineer. If the man can't find nothing for worry, the man worry the drummer. Yeah, man. Around here, Jamaican people, remember saying, you know, I teach you something. Then say the bad slave them where them send come to Jamaica, you know. Are we this, you know? Yeah, they say the unruly slave them when them send come up. Yes. Are the bad unruly slave them. Because here we go on. You say if you just a drop song, and people just say, yeah man, I want nice youth man, you might drop song, you might drop be a big song. You have to always use songs to prove yourself. And in another area where we're in, I know just music alone do it, my bro. No. You have to build a massive fan base. Remember that. And remember say no man no run boy a favor, you know. See then take away crown from Beanie Man, you know, and say Beanie Man and no king no more, you know. Beanie Man was the hottest thing around here, you know. Buju Banton was the hottest thing around here, you know. No man no run this favor, you know, bro. But you know what Beanie them have and Buju them have? Column me G. Column. Yeah, man. You have to set history, bro. You have to make the man say the youngest column this round here. So even when your music now play, your column dead and people are say, what? Masicka? Every time. Notice when name call. And the man must say, top 5 in the dancehall, top 4 in the dancehall. A man say, Super Cat. Super Cat never have the most song. You think Super Cat had the most song than Lieutenant Stitch them? You think Super Cat had the more hit song than Admiral Bailey? Eh? In the base market, in a core? No, sir. Super Cat never have more song than Admiral Bailey. Admiral Bailey, them a DJ of the year, upon much years, and Stitchy, and never go at it. And Admiral Bailey is supposed to be DJ of the year for about 5-6 years straight, you know. But if you call the name them right now, you don't hear Admiral Bailey name. One time the people say Admiral Bailey done, after the man do 2-year-old and now put on a bass song. And the man must say Admiral Bailey done, and the man come back and say, "One thing me done." I mash the place again. Man come, big belly man. One time Admiral Bailey had the boss round here. And when the man talk about the top 5, who they put there? Super Cat them, Ninja Man them, Shabba Rankin them. Admiral Bailey was the man round here. Remember that. But guess what? When them talk about Clash, now them time them talk about Ninja Man and Shabba. And talk about Stitchy and Papa San them. Stitchy to a lesser extent because in the last now Stitchy got take a clash with Papa San. You see it? Tiger. No people know say Tiger used to beat everybody, you know. I want to know, man. Tiger. Masicka. Tiger. Joanna. Tiger. Tiger never play with them. Tiger in front of them and I say, I don't want. Tell me. I don't need. Tell me. I don't want. And if I take on you want, tell me. And if I flower on you want, tell me. And if I meet jam on you want, tell me. Tiger the roaring with the blood clean there. No make nobody tell you in your ears, no manager not supposed to in your ears, Masicka, tell you about Riri and a little down your thing, brother. I are the man. Me I tell you that as an artist because here we go now. Manager, enough time manager, them don't know nothing about that side of the something here. The craft in the side. Craft. Art and craft, me G. Sometimes nothing go on. You see all? Alright. May I show you something, Masicka? You see Jahshii go out there and see what he say? See what being man them? Eh? Eh? See what Papa San them? You must say anything Jahshii say, you know? They're ready for war. Papa San write 5 lyrics already and ready for war. Yeah, man. Papa San never have no word for hit song, you know. But everybody be afraid of him. Because Papa San now back. And he never have no word for hit song. And when Papa San starts slow down, I say, my name is Daddy San, say, I will survive. And I find 2 hit songs, the thing and I find 2 hit songs. Papa San never play. Yeah, man, he ready for war. Understand that, my general. So, me don't know if you're comfortable with everything we achieve. Me don't know if you're alright because me talk about ignorance. Me don't know if you're just alright with just a truck to go up the road and just find a big song them and if song them die down and you find the next big one and it die down and you find the next big one and when you go perform, everybody love you. But here we go now. You have a thing named momentum. You have to take advantage of it, brother. If you want to go from 200,000 to 100,000, me not say your fee. If you want to go from 100,000 in this music industry to 200 and 300 and 400 and 500,000, bro, you have to turn column. You have to turn column like Buju Banton we go jail for 10 years and come back and bigger when he come back than when he before he go. You understand that, bro? People sit down and wait for you. You have to be column. You have to be column. Ladies, sir, the female version, ladies, sir, you know. She'd have all like big song, but one thing ladies I never ramp with nobody, you know. All man she take on. When she get miserable, you have to miserable, me G. Brother, I told me I did girl artist. Yeah, I told me I did girl artist. You want give me your catalog, lend me your catalog for a day. Lend me your catalog, Masicka, for a week. I see, I told me got me a girl artist. I never come and push badness and rare and box down 2 man and kick down 2 man and ring up the face and say, yo, see me have a big cut in the face, you know, blowing up on my mouth round so and PR some man, give me whole of my family them from Grand Spain a par with me and when me go you see all 100 man from Grand Spain and 500 man from Brook Valley. Me the kind of just want to be a girl artist.
And I agree with Mr. Vegas because clashing is a part of our culture. I'm not used to this being fake. Your business, you know what I mean? So we're not doing a unity with people we know not real. You get what I'm saying? I've always been saying to people them for keep the same energy that they had with Kartel when he was in prison. He's there road, no time to feel sorry for nobody, you see what I say? But most importantly, work on your fan base. You know what I mean? And this is where these people went wrong, thinking them can size up with someone who gave them fans. You feel me? Yeah, so that's why the world I deal with Masicka away, cause the genocide or wherever him side name cracks or whatever. Them not built like that. You see some people putting out the comment section where you think about that. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so because we run a lot of dancehall stories here, so you know. So if you want to be in tune with the culture, yes, the spot. Like, share, comment, subscribe with the notification bell because sometimes we go live. Yeah, in the night time or during the day. So you want to be notified when we do that or drop another video and dancehall news, music reviews and gossips. Bless.